how you can open snaps on Snapchat web. So whenever you receive a snap from your friend, it will be shown over here. But when you click on it, you can send a text and have a chat but cannot open the snaps. And it says open the mobile app to view. So in order to avoid this problem, you have to follow some simple steps. First of all, what you need to do is download BlueStacks X on your device. Once you've downloaded and installed this app on your device, you can go to the search bar and type in Snapchat. Here you have to click on it and install it on an app player. Once you've completed the installation, it will look something like this. I will just maximize it. And here you can log in with your Snapchat account. Once you've logged in into your Snapchat, you can head over to chats and you can just click on the snaps to view it. And that is it. After following these simple steps, you will be able to view snaps from your friend on your PC as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this was helpful.